Smith yn ei chymryd yn chwilio am Fion Price. Price, dangos i chryfder. Price yn cael y croesiad tua'r canol. Camgymeriad gan y golwr. Ac mae'r Rhian Oakley wedi rhoi Caerdydd ar y blaen. A camgymeriad gan fans yn y gol i Aberystwyth yn rhoi y bêl ar blat i Rhian Oakley. Y dechreuad gweithio posib i Anthony Williams fel rheolwr newydd Aberystwyth. Fion Price yn uchel i'r canol. Mae'n ybyniad yn dod i mewn gan Holly Smith. A Holly Smith yn dwblu mantais Caerdydd. Y gic gornel yna gan Fion Price yn uchel i'r canol. A Holly Smith yn cael ei ffen at y bêl ar y postyn pella ac yn claddu'r gol. Schofield i lledu'r chwarae at Isaac. Mae nôl gan Caerdydd yn sydyn iawn. Elisa Colley, Kehoe, Molly Kehoe sydd ar y bêl i mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Kehoe yn cael ei ergyd i mewn ac Elisa Colley ar y postyn pella yn cyrraedd y croesiad gan Molly Kehoe a mae'n 2 i Caerdydd. Maen nhw wedi mynd ymhellach ar y blaen.
Ian, a great start for phase 2 for you this afternoon.
Yeah, it was a fantastic performance. We've been working on a lot of things in training that were positive in the game, I'd say. Still got areas to work on, but I thought we controlled the game throughout, and I think the players can be very happy with that performance. And then that's another game done now, and we focus on to next week.
A tough afternoon for you here today.
Yeah, it's going to be tough in every game. They finished the top half of the league, so every game we go into, we know it's going to be really difficult. But if you've seen, we had a few missing today. We had a couple of players away with the Wales 16s teams, and we had a 15-year-old make debut, Lowry Evans, and obviously Gwen Mason made a first start today. So it's a really, really young squad. And this is the learning time for them now, because they're in a nice position, should we say, that they can develop and hopefully play against the top teams to go on to bigger and better things next season.
Mae'n wastad yn anodd pan mae Aber yn dod lawr i ni. Mae'n wastad yn gêm mwy cryfder na pêl-droed weithiau. Ond ni wedi ennill heddiw 3-dim a ni wedi rhoi perfformiad da mewn, felly ni eisiau'n hapus na ni dechrau fel hyn.
Very pleased, it's always tough playing against Aberystwyth, and it is always tough at home as well, but I think we battled through and played really professional, so yeah.
And a great start for phase 2.
Yeah, it's always good to start with a win. We want to carry on from phase 1, so we just want to keep pushing and keep winning.
Your first game in charge, can you talk us through the changes that have been happening at the club this week?
Not really. I think I've stepped in just to steady the ship a bit and just make sure everything's right. It's been a tough couple of months in terms of the change and the development, and things had to move on because of obvious reasons where people went to. So it's changed, it's evolved. They've welcomed me in the dressing room, and it's more, if I'm honest with you, it's made the club more together as a group with the men's and women's and the academy. And I'm actually overseeing them all, so it's a tough job, but like I say, it's made the club more together.